So it's a very special day here in Melbourne because I am unboxing the Barisieur, and I have been waiting so long for this. So about, 3 years ago, I saw it on one of those tech, zines. Barisieur, it's an alarm clock that wakes you up with coffee. And I was like, I need this in my life. Then there was a Kickstarter and I got really excited, and then I waited and waited and waited for it to actually be made. And now it's been delivered. So to unbox it, I'm going to need two things. I'm going to need a pair of scissors and a glass of wine, because I don't have coffee, obviously, because I haven't unboxed it yet, and it's a special day, so cheers. All right, here we go. This is genuinely really exciting. This is quite, nothing quite like being defeated by cardboard that makes you really reevaluate. So, oh my gosh. All right, so we've got lots of foam. I'm sorry, environment. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this is actually happening. I've been so excited for such a long time. I tell strangers about this. I'm like, you should see what I bought. And they're like, who are you and why are you talking to me? Continue unpacking. Okay. And so cute. I'll wash it. Oh my goodness. So I could have ordered it in two different colors, white or brown. I wonder which one I got. So that's the tray top. So I'll just pop that there. Then what have we got? We've got, must be the tray bottom. Maybe I'll just take it off altogether, and I'll get rid of the box. Great job, box. You did good. So we've got the cord because it runs on power. Surprise, surprise. And I've also got an adapter for Australia that I will bring out. Now this is the base. Oh, there's a Barisieur safety guide. It's good to be safe. I probably should. I'm just going to open it and just have a quick check, just so I don't break any rules. 2.5 years. I don't want to be breaking no rules. Good. No, that's great. All right. Oh, it's got little stickies. Okay, so this is how we set the alarm, I think. This is the brew delay. So how long, I guess. I probably should read the instructions. This machine is going to make me a coffee in the morning. I'm going to have to cancel my butler. I don't have a butler. All right, here we go. I'm going to put the base on. So far, so good. It's pretty easy. It's like the machine goes, oh, it's time for me to make some hot water, I guess. I'm going to guess that goes there. Here's my little milk that's going to get all nice and chilly overnight. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness, I think I just put it together. How easy was that? Well, cheers to that. That was actually super easy. The Barisieur must be earthed before switching on. I don't know what that is. I'm going to plug it in and we're going to make an incredible cup of coffee. Oh. Okay, so I've washed up the stuff, and as we can see, I've got it ready. So we've got our water filled to the max line, popped it in there. We've got the milk filled to the max line. Milk to the max, maximum milk. And now I'm just going to put the coffee in. So I don't know how much coffee to put in. There we go, beautiful. That was easy. And now I'm going to turn it on. Now apparently it takes about 5 minutes to brew. So here we go. It's on. I plugged it in using the Australian thing. Make. All right, it's being made. It's happening. It's happening. Here it is. Bang. Oh, too much coffee. One small thing about instruction manuals, sometimes it's good to read them because you'll realize that there are other parts of your new machine. For example, take this. We've got, what's under this sticker? It's a time display, and that's like amazing. And then what's this? It's your coffee drawer, and that's where you put your coffee. So I would have known that if I had read that instruction manual yesterday. But I'm just going to put this right back here. There we go. And then I won't mention the sticker or the coffee drawer again for the rest of this video. So, oh, there we go. A little beep. I have an amazing cup of coffee here. I don't know, I haven't tried it yet, so it might not be amazing, but it's made a lot more coffee than I thought it would, because it feels like I put such a small amount in the beaker here. But actually that's a pretty good size cup of coffee. So I'm going to get my milk to the max. That bung wasn't on. I'm going to, in a safe way, take my coffee out, pop some of that in. So it literally did take, what, just under 5 minutes. So here we go. Here is the first cup of coffee from the Barisieur. I should stir it, but I'm not fussy. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, it's lovely. It's lovely. It's a lovely cup of coffee. Good job, Josh. Well done, Barisieur community. We freaking made it. We freaking have a coffee alarm clock. Look, I could die happy. One more thing. If we look on the back, you got your USB to charge your phone. I think I've covered it all now. I think I've said it all. But if not, just buy a Barisieur and read the instruction manual, all right? There's a reason it's in there. Thank you. Have a lovely day.